Hello everyone, so another day and another box waiting for me to open. So let me show you the box and the brand. So this is the brand 8 cents, and this time I remember because of the logo they sent a very beautiful box because I already forgot that when I purchased this, but thanks to this logo I know what is inside. Now before I open this box, I want you to see this little video about this box and about this brand. So let's have a look. Okay guys, welcome back. Now let's open this box. So let me open it. Khulja Sim Sim. So guys, this is how I dropped something. It's always happened with me. So this is how it looks inside. Let me grab the thing which I dropped. Okay, so the first thing I got, this kit was proudly assembled by Bally. So thank you, Bally. Then I got this card. So I gonna get $20 off any $50 purchase plus free Daydreamer Mini, which is a moisturizer. That's cool. Then they send this card to you which give all the information about the product you're gonna get in this package. And back side there's like night and daytime skincare routine. You know, I really like the brands who provide you sample kits or sample products because although I'm a skincare junkie, but I'm not a crazy person. Like, I never ever gonna commit myself to a full size product of any skincare just because ingredients are very good or it's natural or organic, because sometimes some products are not very good and maybe there's a one or two ingredients which may be not very good for your skin. So it's always a good idea to try samples, and when sample kit is this cheap, like I just paid $10 for these many products, so it's really very easy and convenient. So let me see. Bubble wrap! And whenever you got a bubble wrap, we all know it's fun, but sometimes it's very irritating. So let me show you the first product. Let's start with the cleanser. So this is 8 cents Down to Earth, and it's a mud gel cleanser. When product says gel, it's probably good for combination or oily skin, so not for me. Then the other one, oops, then it's a Pap Rally. I like the names. It's a gel radiance serum with hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, vitamin C, MSM, and it's 5 ml. So this is also like, it's good for all skin type because it has hyaluronic acid. So I can use this and I will definitely try. Okay, then you get this high society conditioning oil, vitamin E, marula, jojoba, and neroli. Impressive. Then Seeking C. I love the names. It's a vitamin C serum with jojoba oil and vitamin E. Then here it's this eye cream, all-in eye cream, 4 ml, which is a good quantity for eye cream. Then you got this Cloud Whip moisturizer, actually C cream. Then Soothing Moisturizer, Daydreamer, that I can use because I have a sensitive skin and this is soothing, so it's definitely gonna have aloe or something like that. Okay, then you're gonna get your soulmate. It's a brightening treatment with hyaluronic acid and glycolic acid and vitamin E. I'm gonna use it. Then oh my god, I really love the creativity, you know, the names are really cool. Then you get 8 cents Jan out of 10. It's a bamboo extract scrub. Love it. Then It's no plan, it's a rose mask, desert rose mask, of course, with antioxidant and rose flower. Then you get this Bright Side Deep Clean Cream Cleanser. Then you get Night Shift. It's a gel cream with peptides and vitamin C. So here is 12 products from 8 cents, and the card I showed you already. It says that what products are for daytime and what products are for nighttime. So I know now that what I need to use in the morning and what I'm going to use in the nights. That's very convenient. So that's why they send you this card. Now I'm super excited about all these minis. Look at this. This brand is also all natural. They are not using any nasty chemicals in their products, so this is a good thing. It's a cruelty free too. The only thing, I just do not like the packaging very much. I mean, I understand they are sample size. I don't know what kind of packaging they use with their full size products, but I try to avoid plastic, and most of the skincare I have, they are in a glass packaging. Some of them are in a plastic packaging, but those products are recyclable, so I can recycle the plastic packaging. I don't know about this because there is no information about the product, just the brand name and the product name on the top, nothing else, and other information you can get from this card. That's it. So that's it, guys. It's just a little unboxing video, and I hope you like it. And now I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe and take care.